1986, legislation was passed that gave drug companies complete immunity from product liability. So, like one of the main aspects in commerce is that, if you're a company and you make a product that's dangerous or hurts people, they can sue you so you can stop doing that, right? And this is a way to protect people from getting hurt. Well, the drug companies that were making vaccines were getting sued so much from people getting hurt from the vaccines that it was not profitable. So they went to the government collectively. The companies got together, went to the government, and they said, we're going to stop making vaccines because it's going to put us out of business unless you give us immunity so that no one can sue us. And that's what the legislation that was passed in the 80s made happen. So it gave complete immunity from product liability to the vaccine manufacturers so that if you got one of their vaccines and got hurt, you couldn't sue them. And it created a special kind of secret vaccine court that is run by the government and has very strict limits. So in other words, you can't get punitive damages like you would in a court case where, you say, oh, this company not only hurt my child, but they hurt 100 other kids and they knew that these vaccines were poison. So we're going to ask for damages to punish them as an incentive for them to change their practice. And it's going to be $100 million. And juries would award those kinds of things in that kind of a situation. But in this special secret government vaccine court, that wasn't allowed. It was very low limits that would be paid out.
In the UK, it's £120,000.
Right, exactly. And that's, if you are paralyzed for life, that's not nearly enough to take care of you. So, and there's similar low limits in this court. And also, this money doesn't come from the pharmaceutical companies. It comes from the taxpayers.